can you share an example where deep empathy for end users shaped a project decision that ultimately drove client success?
Absolutely. So, in a previous role, to share a story, to advance the UX design and accessibility experience with a leading tech client, we realized that raw data was not moving the needle enough. And we needed to really bring these product leaders along with us on the journey. And so, to engage this leadership team along the way and to deepen the experience of cross digital and physical friction points, we partnered with a nonprofit. We partnered with a nonprofit called the Blind Cafe, where we transformed, if you can imagine, a typical conference room into this dining in the dark experience. And this is when we had a team of visually impaired community moderators crafting a dining in the dark experience for everybody to experience at the same time. So the aha moment, in other words, this led to this organic conversation of, wow, if it's difficult for me to even place the fork into my mouth during this meal together as a sighted or visually abled person, how might a user who's visually impaired complete an action on a phone or an app? And this really, shifted the conversation and centered the diversity of needs from users' experiences from day one. So what did this do? This immersive learning sparked this curiosity-driven reevaluation across teams. We moved from to a proactive design shift and ultimately investing in accessible design systems and making accessibility a core or foundational requirement in agile sprint planning. So the takeaway, right? What was the takeaway from this experience? It demonstrated the impact of designing with users' needs at the forefront and unlocking innovation for everyone. So in a nutshell, my actionable advice would be create those shared experiences that directly inform design decisions whenever possible.